Hey, what's up everybody, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and today's video we're talking about Bitcoin price prediction and we're talking about Bitcoin analysis. A lot of people are waiting for Bitcoin pump. So is it pump or dump? Let's see guys. Before starting this video, if you want to join my Telegram group, so join now. The link is available in the video description. If you want free signals, so join Telegram must guys. By the way guys, if we talk about Bitcoin, so from last 3 days, from last 2 days, from the beginning of October, there is no movement in a Bitcoin guys. So when it's possible for Bitcoin to pump. As you can see here, the last 24-hour highest price, lowest price of BTC. So you can see here the market is completely stuck. There is not a big movement. 19,370 is the highest of last 24-hour. 18,970 is the lowest of last 24-hour guys. Possibilities for Bitcoin that it falls to 18,800. It's the first support of Bitcoin. Possibilities that it make a reverse from 18,800 guys. So obviously if it falls to this point, so big possibilities that the market take reverse, and after testing the 18,800 it start pumping guys. And next target is our 20,200. It's our target for Bitcoin, and I hope very soon in upcoming 1 or 2 days guys it will hit $20,000 guys, easily. Not a big target for Bitcoin guys, but due to current situation, the market is stuck. So that's why a lot of people are now not expecting pump in a Bitcoin, because it's just creating a FOMO. A lot of people in the current situation guys, because from last 2 days guys there is no movement in a Bitcoin, so a lot of people are now up on short position in a Bitcoin. It is completely wrong, and now it will pump to liquidate all short positions guys. So be active in the market guys and stay alert. For more updates, join Telegram for market update. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.